Imagine the unimaginable. What if the world as we know it ceases to exist tomorrow? How would you survive an apocalypse? This isn't a plot from your favorite sci-fi movie, but a reality we could face. The key to surviving such a global catastrophe isn't just about being the fittest or the strongest. It's about being prepared. With the right knowledge, skills, and supplies, you can outlast any apocalypse. Survival isn't about luck, it's about preparation. Let's delve into the essentials you'd need. In the face of an apocalypse, prioritizing your survival supplies becomes critical. In the world of survival, water reigns supreme. The human body can survive only 3 days without it. Stock up on water purification tablets and filters. They're compact, lightweight, and can turn a muddy puddle into a life-saving drink. Next on the priority list is food. Your body needs energy to function, and for that you need food. Opt for non-perishable items such as preserves, nuts, and energy bars. Don't forget a manual can opener. Shelter is the third pillar of survival. Exposure to harsh weather can be fatal. A good quality tent, sleeping bag, and thermal blanket can protect you from the elements. Also, a compact waterproof tarp can be invaluable. It can serve as a makeshift shelter, a rain collector, or a ground cover. Fire, the beacon of survival, comes next. It provides warmth, cooks food, and signals for help. Pack waterproof matches, a lighter, and a fire starter. Also consider including a compact stove for cooking and boiling water. First aid kits are essential. They can treat injuries, prevent infections, and save lives. Ensure it includes bandages, antiseptic wipes, tweezers, medical tape, painkillers, and any necessary prescription medications. Clothing may seem trivial, but it's vital. It protects you from the elements, helps regulate body temperature, and can even provide a sense of normalcy. Pack layers to accommodate varying temperatures and conditions. Don't forget sturdy shoes and gloves. Lastly, tools for signaling and navigation. A whistle can attract attention, and a mirror can signal aircraft. Include a compass and maps of the area. In the digital age, we rely heavily on GPS, but in an apocalypse, traditional navigation tools are king. Remember, survival is a game of priorities. Your supplies should reflect that. Now that we've covered the essentials, let's summarize the key points to keep in mind. First, water. It is the cornerstone of life, and our bodies cannot function without it. In a survival situation, having access to clean, drinkable water is paramount. Remember, the rule of thumb is 1 gallon per person, per day. Next, food. Having non-perishable, nutrient-dense food items can mean the difference between life and death. Items like canned goods, dehydrated meals, and energy bars should be part of your survival kit. Then there's shelter. Whether it's a sturdy tent or a makeshift lean-to, protection from the elements can prevent hypothermia, heat stroke, and other harmful conditions. Also, consider investing in a high-quality sleeping bag to keep warm during cold nights. Fourth, first aid. A well-stocked first aid kit can manage injuries, prevent infections, and save lives. Make sure it includes bandages, antiseptics, pain relief medication, and essential prescription drugs. Lastly, tools. A multi-purpose tool can serve as a knife, a can opener, a screwdriver, and so much more. A reliable source of heat like a fire starter or matches is also crucial. Above all, remember that preparation is key. Familiarize yourself with these items now, before disaster strikes. Learn how to use them, maintain them, and improvise with them. In an apocalypse, your survival lies in these essentials and your ability to use them effectively. In the end, survival is about more than just supplies. It's about the will to live, adapt, and overcome. As we wrap things up, let's delve into the psychological arena of survival. It's a realm that is often overlooked, yet it holds the key to your endurance in an apocalyptic scenario. You see, mental resilience is as essential as the food, water, and shelter we've discussed. It's the driving force that keeps you going when the odds are stacked against you. It's about staying calm in the face of adversity, making rational decisions when panic seems like the only option. It's about adaptability, the ability to change your strategy when circumstances shift, to innovate with the resources at hand. So, as you prepare your survival supplies, also fortify your mind. Train yourself to stay calm, to think clearly, to adapt. Remember, the will to survive is the most important survival tool you have. So prepare, adapt, and overcome. Your life could depend on it.